ready! Let's build a cupcake house!
Bobo do. Bobo clear stage.
No! Bobo! Share, Bobo. We play together.
Minecraft is mine.
Uh-oh.
Blocky grass tickle.
We're inside the game. Team, stick up. We build, we survive. Hi, little dragon. Want a cupcake? Audie, we have to save Pixel.
Yay!
Mission accepted!
Yay!
Bobo, not a toilet!
Shiny potty, best potty. Whoa!
Upgrade time, it's mine!
Diamond V.
Bobo, what have you done? How can we go back to our home without diamonds?
Thank you for the snacks.
A talking well?
Win my stages. Get your diamonds back or stay forever.
Bobo brave a little bit.
Block coming jump!
Bobo scared but jumpy.
Grab that shield! And that bow!
Bobo get hammer.
Hot feet, cool teamwork. Stage 1 clear.
Only one more to go!
Defeat the creeper pigs and earn your second diamond.
Piggy say boom boom.
They say run!
Smoky Piggy funny.
Got 'em all!
Stage 2 clear.
This must be the black dragon's lair.
Bobo no scared. Okay, maybe little.
Who dares steal my diamonds?
We didn't steal them. The well took them.
Excuses. Time to burn.
Dragon Achu funny.
Now, hit the diamond crystal on his chest.
You are brave and kind. The diamonds are yours.
Thank you, Mr. Dragon.
Stage 3 clear.
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! We're home.
No lava. Yay!
We did it! All diamonds safe.
Bobo dropped no more diamonds. Maybe.
Should we go back for another level?
Only if shiny potty again.